Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. You can reach out to me through my email address or Telegram Telegram channel link. So that in case you have any questions or you can comment, you can write your questions on the comment box. I will reply. So in this series, we'll be talking about market structure. We'll be talking about market structure. In this series, we'll be talking about market structure and what is market structure. Because the first thing you need to understand about financial instruments is the nature of the market. So the ultimate definition of market structure simply means the nature of the market. That's just it. Simply means nature of the market. And what is the nature of the market? The nature of the market is buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling. That is just the nature of the market. So when can you know when to buy and when to sell? That is where the problem comes. And that is why I will be explaining series by series on the nature of the market. So the market structure can be classified into two. Market structure can simply be classified into two. And it's not something that I develop, it's just the nature of the market, and you're going to see it. Market structure can be classified into two. The first one is a trending market, and the second one is a sideways or ranging market. Ranging market, sideways, contracting, all mean the same thing. So it's just a trending market and a ranging market. And a trending market can be classified into two. Trending market can be classified into two. The trending market can be classified into two. And the first, under a trending market now, we have a bullish market and a bearish market. A bullish market and a bearish market. A bullish market and a bearish market. And what is a bullish market? A bullish market is when the market is showing or making series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That is a bullish market. And you can also call it uptrend. You know, when something is going up, like when the bull want to attack, so uptrend. So you can call it uptrend. That's another name for a bullish market, uptrend. So that is what I will explain to us here. So as you can see my chart, so what did I say is a bullish market? Is when the market is making or showing us series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. As you can see my screen, that this you can see my screen now. The market is coming down. Can you see? Market is coming down. So we can call this what? A low. Then this is a lower high. I will explain that in a bearish market. So this is a lower high. So we are explaining a bullish market now. Don't get me wrong. I'm explaining a bullish market now. So this is a low. The market retraced and gave us another lower high. Then the market came down. You can see my arrow. The market came down. But if you look carefully, the market did not break this low. So we are going to call this what? Higher low. We are going to call this higher low. So what happened next? The market was going up and it break this. So we'll call it break of structure. Break of structure. This is because, why did I call it this? This is structure. This is like a fence. This is like a fence. So the market came down and was retracing a little bit. Can you see? But came and pushed it up in an impulsive move. Can you see? It went up in an impulsive move. So it break this structure. So this will now it break this structure and came down to this place. So we'll call this higher high. So listen to me carefully. Why did I call this higher high? I call this higher high because this is a high. You know, this is also a high. But this high is higher than this high. Can you hear me? This high, this higher high is higher than this high. So we call it higher high. Then the market went up and retraced a little bit. So we are going to call this what? higher low. You know, I said this is an higher low. You know why? Because this is a low, this is a high, this is another low. But this low is higher than this low because it didn't break this structure. So this low is higher than this low. So this is higher low. Then the market went up, retraced a little bit. This low, it couldn't break it. So we'll call this higher low. So high, this low is higher than this low. So this is called higher low. So what happened next was the market went up again, break this structure, break of structure. You can see my screen, you can see the charts. So break of structure, then it gave us another what? Higher high. This is another higher high. This is another higher high. Why? Because this high is higher than this high. This is a high. This is also a high, but this high is higher than this. So this is a high. Then the market retraced again and gave us what? Higher low. Can you see now? So a bullish market is when the market is making series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Can you see it? Then it break this structure again and give us what? Another higher high. Then retrace a little bit and give us what? Another higher low. I'm using a derivative now, so I'm going to show you on a currency pair. It actually means the same thing. I want to understand the nature of the market. Once the structure is broken, can you see it broke this structure and gave us what? Another higher high. Then retrace a little bit, give us what? Higher low. Because it didn't break it. If you look at it, can you see? It didn't break it. Then went up and give us another higher high. So you can see that in the bullish market is when the market is making series of higher high, series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So if you look at in a currency pair, this is Euro USD. Euro USD. Can you see my screen? Euro USD. So what happened here? This is a low. This is a low. The market went up, break this structure, and gave us another low. Let me show it to you. This is a low. Why? Because this low, this is a low, this is another low. So this one is lower than it. So we can call it lower low. Why? Because this low is higher than this. So this low is lower than this. So we call this lower low. The market, we can call this a high, then a low. What happened? The market went up. Can you see my cursor? The market went up and break this. Can you see it? It came here. Can you see my cursor? It came here, but it did not break this. So until when this structure, this fence is broken, until when it is broken, before you call it higher high. So the market went up and break it. So we call this higher high. And I've told you why I call it higher high, because this high is higher than this. So the market retraced a little bit. So we'll call this what? Higher low. Why? Because this low is higher than this low. Are you getting it now? This low is higher than this low. Then the market went up. Can you see anytime the market went up, if you want to continue going up, it will break it with a positive move. Can you see? It is not struggling, it broke it. So it's a signal that the market really wants to go up. So can you see? It went up and gave us another what? Higher high. Give us another higher high. Then the market retraced and gave us what? Another higher low. Why? Because the market, this high is higher, this low is higher than this low. So this is a low. This is a flatter in the market. I'm going to explain that later to us. This is a flatter in the market. How you can trade and avoid it. So the market retraced a little bit and it went up. Can you see the market came here? The market came here, but did not break this. So you need to, that is when you need to exercise patience in the market. You need to know what the market is trying to do. So what the market did, the market retraced and break this. So whether with a pin or not, once this structure is broken, it's a signal that the market might continue to go up. So this is what? Higher high. And I've told you the reason why this is called higher high is because this high is higher than this. Then the market retraced a little bit and gave us what? Another higher low, because it could not break this. So that is just simply a bullish market. So you need to once you understand this as your foundation in understanding financial instruments, it will help you to go a long way in the financial world. So what did I say a bullish market is? A bullish market is when the market is showing us or making series of what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, because in the next series I'm going to explain what is a bearish market, and then you can kindly ask any questions or comment or chat me up through our Telegram channel or message me. I will reply. Thank you very much and have a nice day.